Hi, how's everyone doing tonight? I just want to post this video here to introduce you to this new website I made about a lesson we will be talking about later this week. Okay, the title of this website is Personification, Idioms, and Irony, which are three very important concepts in literature, which we will deal with in class later this week. Basically, like I said, the purpose of this website is to help explain these three terms. Alright, so personification. So what is personification? This may be a review for some of you, but it is the use of human characteristics to describe a non-human character. There are several examples of personification in literature and in the media. And the following are a few examples: the Giving Tree, Patrick Star, Mickey Mouse, Chuck E. Cheese, the Talking Hat in Harry Potter, the Donkey in Shrek. But the question which I really want you to understand here is, here's a picture of Mickey Mouse. What aspects of Mickey Mouse are personified? And just by telling them, obviously, Mickey really doesn't look like a normal mouse. One characteristic he has is the thumb. Mice don't have thumb. And also, Mickey's also wearing clothing. He's standing upright. These are some aspects I want you to look at while looking at cartoons to see what kind of aspects of humans do they have. And right here on the cover picture, look at some of these characters from SpongeBob SquarePants, which is a show I'm sure many of you are familiar with. And look at them and see what aspects of them differ from the animal which they are intended to be, and which make them look like a human. Okay. The next thing we're going to be talking about are idioms, and idioms are phrases that have a different meaning than its literal meaning. So the following are some common idioms you may have heard of, something as "it's raining cats and dogs." Here's one: barking up the wrong tree, and a cat and mouse game. And something like a piece of cake. It's an idiom because it's the phrase here is not what it's intended to be. So a piece of cake doesn't actually refer to a piece of cake. Rather, it refers to an easy task. And what I want you to do, I want you to click on this image right here. And when you click on the image, that one, you're going to get a Microsoft Word document. And in this document, I compiled a list of some of my favorite idioms. And what I want you to do, I want you to go look at the list, and I want you to pick out 5, write these idioms on a piece of paper, then explain what the idiom actually means. And like I said here, I have a website here at the bottom of the page. This is the source I use for these, and remember, it's always very important to include your source whenever you give information. Also, if you have time, look at the website, and it's fun to look at some of the idioms on there. Okay, now back to the document, idioms, and then irony. Okay, so what is irony? It's an unexpected resolution to an event, and some of the following would be irony kind of in your everyday life. Making a Facebook status about how much you hate Facebook. It's kind of ironic because you're using Facebook as an outlet to describe how much you don't like it. Also, skipping church because you're studying for a test is another example. We'll be talking about the different types of irony a little bit later, such as dramatic irony and verbal irony, and also situational irony when we discuss the short story, The Interlopers. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. Review the website, complete the assignment, and we'll see you in class. Alright, goodbye.